Hey everyone, welcome to this video where we'll guide you through setting up a simple workflow for your team or business. My name is Tom Ivel and I'm the product lead who created workflows for Confluence, and I hope you find this video useful. Before getting started with creating your workflow, you'll need to navigate to either your space or global settings depending on the type of admin you are for this Confluence. For admins, you will find your workflows in the global settings and under the Workflows for Confluence tab. For space admins, you will find your workflows in Space Settings, under Content Tools, and then the Workflows tab. Once you have accessed the workflow page, you'll be able to create your custom workflows from here. We do have a small selection of workflows already set up for you, and we will cover these in another tutorial. To begin creating your workflow, click the Create button to bring up the Create Workflow dialog. This is where you name your workflow and can give it a simple description. For the purposes of this tutorial today, we're going to create a simple approval workflow. Once you have given your workflow a name and brief description, press Create and the custom workflow editor will open. Okay, so on this page, begin by dragging the Create node onto the canvas like this. The Create node will trigger the start of your workflow on the creation of a page in Confluence that will be using this specific workflow. Now we will add a status node to the workflow like so. Statuses will act as intermediaries between approvals. Here you can name your statuses, configure them with on-edit and on-expiration options, conditions, and set extra things such as the status color. As we are setting up a simple approval workflow, the next stage would be to add the approval node. Again, you can easily do this by dragging it onto the canvas. You can click into the node and set specific details like the approvers as individuals, or if you have approval groups set up, this is where you can select these. Just like the prior statuses, you can also set the on-edit and expiry options as well. It's really easy to link your nodes together. You just click on the port at the bottom of a node, and you can drag it to the port on the top of the node. Once you have set up your approval node, you just need to specify that you want an approved outcome or rejected outcome. You can click and create two new statuses, one for your approved, one for your rejected. This will allow you to send pages back for updating and reapproval if they are rejected. Similarly, if approved, the page can be automatically published. For more advanced workflows, you can set specific actions to automatically occur after an event. For example, an email could trigger once a page was approved. We are going to cover this in another tutorial, so please join us there if you're interested. And as easy as that, you now have your simple approval workflow, which is ready to add to your pages. If you have any comments, feedbacks, or require any assistance, please contact us via email and we'll be more than happy to help. Thanks for joining us in this video, and we hope you found it useful.